What's going on YouTube? Checking back in today. But instead of the SS, I'm working on my 1987 aerocoupe. I'm at a dead stop on the SS project, waiting on new subframe bolts, drive shaft bolts, flex plate bolts from the dealer. So I figured I'd give you guys an update on this, my 87 aerocoupe.
The real niggas go do real shit.
So a quick background on this 87 aerocoupe. I've had this car for a little over a year. Just haven't gotten around to doing any moves on it yet. I've been stuck on the SS and my daily driver, my wife's car. So this has been sitting on the back burner. It's sitting on flats and stuff now, so I'll get to it. Honestly, I'll probably just LS swap this car before I ever start driving it, and then it'll become a daily driver for me. Currently, this car has stock 305 with only like 17,000 miles, but just not enough power for me. Yeah, okay, we just gotta cut this floor out.
Replace the floor, nigga.
To the front though. Yeah, so we can be knocking all that shit out. We can be getting that frame, getting the new firewall cleaned up and shit. That way it just cut our time down. As far as my brother's car goes, 1984 Monte Carlo SS, first year with the floor shift. When we got this car, it was already 350 swapped, but we're doing full frame off restoration, new suspension, all the bells and whistles. So we'll probably be LS swapping this car as well soon. The main reason for the frame off restoration was the holes in the floor pan. So we got the interior being done right now. We're gonna go ahead and cut the old floor pan out, weld the new one in, and then we'll be at the point to LS swap.